Just in case, you might have like tried to drag your video clip to Premiere Pro, and just like what you're saying, it refuses. Let's try and drag the video. You can't place the video to your timeline, but if you drag the audio, it can drop on your timeline just like this. So let's delete this. Probably, let's just say that Premiere Pro might have just like tweaking a way to just like add to your problem, but there's a solution to it. So the solution to it is to make sure that this place here, this your V1 is clicked in. This is clicked. It's clicked on, so just drag your video and drop it. You can see, drag your video and drop it. So that's the problem. You can drag your audio too, add your audio too. So I think just sometimes Premiere Pro will just decide to add to your problem, and you can tell it not today by doing this. So if you turn this place off, that's the problem. But you turn it on and drop your video, that's it. You're welcome. Tell it not today.